We'll keep a dry roof over your heads. Literally. When you need a reliable roofing solution, our experienced team of professionals are ready to solve your needs. No job is too big or too small. Our experienced craftsmen have years of experience on all sorts of buildings. We are confident you will be completely satisfied. Don't delay and contact us today.
Hey there, thanks for watching our video. To get more fresh content regularly, click the subscribe button below, and then also like us on Facebook and engage with us through social media